Over here, you can see that I am in the content page of my YouTube studio. And if I were to go around over here under sample right here, so let me just go around over here and then view this on YouTube, then what happens is that the video plays. This is an example video. You do hear out a background right here, just like this. But if I were to go around and turn on the subtitle, this is what you have, as you can see right here. So this is an auto-generated caption that is there when I upload out a video, as long as the language is supported. So if I were to press the play button, this is an example video for an example YouTube channel. And you can see that the text is there just like this. But what you can also do is you can edit out the automatically generated caption right here. So you can see that it says this is an example video for an example YouTube channel, which is correctly transcribed. But sometimes there may be mistakes and you might want to change it out according to how you want. In that case, you can go around under edit video right here. And once you go around under edit video, you get to the video page from over here as well. So now you can go under subtitles right here, and under subtitles you can see that this is what you have. English automatic language is generated right here, and it is published automatically. So you can go around and duplicate and edit this particular generated caption. So let me just go around, duplicate and edit this, and you can go around and make changes according to how you like. Let's say, for example, I'm just going to go around and say this is an example video. So I'm just going to go around, make it capital right, for an example YouTube channel right here. These are going to be capital right here. And let's say I'm going to end this out with a period. So I'm going to go around and edit the timings now, as you can see right here. So this is what you have, as you can see. So this is the text right here, just like this. This is an example video for an example YouTube channel, as you can see right here. You can go around and add in, let's say, for example, you can go around, press the plus button, add in more timings over here, just like this. Let me just go around over here and delete this out. And this is what you have, as you can see. So you can go around and play this. This is an example video. So let's say I want this is an example video till here. Press the plus button right here, just like this. And then I'm going to go around and copy this out, paste this out right here for an example YouTube channel. So this is going to be the rest of the part right here. So let's just go around onto the beginning and press the play button. This is an example video. So you can go around over here. This is what you have. So this is going to be the end time, as you can see right here. So that is what I want. 3:26 is going to be the end time. Let me just go around over here and paste this out right here, just like this. So that is set. And then over here, after that, I'm just going to go around and then start it from here. Paste it right here. You can go around and manage out the timings like that as well. And then you can go around onto the subtitle itself right here and resize it from here as well. So you got two subtitle sections, as you can see. Let me just go around and zoom out over here, just like this as well. And you can see the subtitles there. So if I were to go around and press the play button now, this is an example video for an example YouTube channel. And that is how you can go around and then edit out the generated text, as you can see, just like that. So now once that is done, you can click on publish right here. And what happens is that another language is added in, which is the video language, as you can see. So let me just click on view on YouTube. And over here, you can see that if I were to go around, then you have the English subtitle. But if I were to go around under, let's say, the settings, you can go under, the viewers can go under subtitle, and then they can choose English or the auto-generated English right there. So if I were to go for the auto-generated English, this is what you see. This is an example. So that is what you have, an auto-generated caption. But if you were to go around over here under English, then you can see that this is what you have now. This is an example video for an example YouTube channel, which is exactly how you want it to be displayed. And that is how you can go around and then edit out generated automatic captions inside of YouTube Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.